I go by Honest Liz on the internet. Today I'm going to style my hair, and this was totally unplanned. This was just, I'm totally camouflaging in my background, but let's make it work. Today I'm going to style with just one product. Now the thing is, my hair is getting longer. Did you see my hair growth pose? It's getting heavier and it's not allowing me to use too many products. So today I'm going to just see if this one product works for my hair or not. We're going to see. I've never done this, so this is an experiment post. Now this product, what I have is the Trelux Reflex Serum. So it's like a serum watery gel that's glycerin free. It has a lot of protein. So we're going to see how it's going to work in my hair. So this is my co-washed hair. I knew I was going to use something light and something with protein, so I balanced the cleansing with a co-washing is washing your hair with conditioner only. That way your hair is clean, but it's not like dry and strippy like when you would use a shampoo. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to section my hair and apply this product. It's section wise. So this is top up, top down. Okay, see this. If you don't know Trelux, discover Trelux is from USA. It's a USA brand, and they came out with their fragrance-free products. So if you are like me, if you don't like heavy fragrances, strong fragrances, you can definitely think about getting fragrance-free products. See, my hair is already like clumpy, so there's no real need for me to manipulate it further. So there's no need for me to use a brush. Look how. So whenever you style your hair, make sure your hair looks like wet, slimy noodles. Now don't quote me. This is what Atoya says. Atoya is another hairstylist, and she has baby hair, and she comes out with the best words for things. So she's the one who said wet, slimy noodles. That's how it should look like when you style your hair. Look at this one. So I'm going to make further sections and apply this serum generously per section. And I am being generous because it is just one product in my hair. And you know my hair, it's big, it's thick. So this is how I apply my product. Yay! This serum is like so slimy. My fingers are just slipping through it. This is the kind of slip a good product should give you. Wow. And as I can see, my hair is loving it. If it hated it, then I would see like frizz already or flash drying. You know, I just know that this is going to be a success by the way it looks while it is styled. If your hair is like frizz-free while it is being styled, then you know you have hope. Frizzy and it's weird. When you style it, then you know it's not going to happen. So it is a serum gel as one. Okay, you know what? A lot of you, when I asked you what's your current struggle, a lot of you said that you didn't know how to fix your front hair. So after you've styled everything, maybe give some extra attention to your front hair right here. And I think it's possibly also maybe because most of you, I know, you color your roots and it's in this area. So whenever you color your hair, that area needs extra attention. Mine is gray, so it still needs extra attention. So I am not escaping. I'm there with you in the same boat. Pay attention. Okay, this is how you style your front section. You go up and up over. You always want to pull your hair up in the direction of where it's growing. Now me, because this area is especially frizzy and unruly and really disobedient, I'm going to finger coil this area. That's the only way to get them to listen to me. Using my thumb to create those sections, like tiny. My thumb is helping me. Opposable thumb. Almost done here. Yay! This is done and I got a crazy workout. Okay, so I'm going to flip my hair all on one side and give it one last glaze. See? So if you have fine hair, if you have wavy hair, if you have low density hair, if you just don't like heavy products, then you want to use products like these. They are transparent, see-through. So this is how I'm glazing. One last, it's like one for the road. Glaze till I can't feel any sticky product in my hands anymore. But if you have coarse hair like mine, you don't want to squishy too much, because then it'll just break all your curl families. All right, so now what I'm going to do is use my microfiber towel and squeeze out the excess water or excess product. Now this will not work if you don't have enough water in your hair. This lipstick is really becoming, right? Now I don't feel bad about wearing this and getting camouflage in this. My results. I air dried, but I also diffused a little bit before I air dried. I am super impressed. I went and picked up my kids. I was in the sun, in the metro, in the sun again, then in the cab. All of that, and my hair is all there. Zhuzh for volume. Yay! I approved. Honestless approved of this being anti-humidity, one and done. If you have very super duper dry hair, then make sure that you deep condition your hair or co-wash your hair before you use this. Yay! You want to see the back? Happy. I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I hope you also enjoy your day.